More than 80 of our clients have now moved to Zoho Books. And Zoho Books is completely integrated with more than its 30 apps, which is helping our clients to increase its business efficiency as well as get automation. My name is Abhishek Mehta. I am the co-founder of Invenza Capital. 2 years back, we were using a traditional accounting software which was creating a gap between me and my clients. We were thinking that how to fill this gap. That is the time we came across Zoho Books. One of our clients who owns a flower studio was facing an issue with invoicing. His invoicing was done manually. That is the time we thought that how can we automate this entire process of invoicing.
So last year when we set up our new brand, the Flower Studio, we wanted to give the customer a very different set of experience when they walk into the store. A very premium luxury experience when it comes to flowers. But if we were giving them hard copies of invoices, that wouldn't resonate well with the entire product line that we have. So I think giving them digital copies and also in a very seamless manner, it kind of like goes well with the image of the brand that we want to portray, and Zoho Books has helped us do that very well.
The best part about Zoho Books is Zoho Invoicing. So our clients with no knowledge of accounting, they are now able to really create the invoice very well. And Zoho automates your payments part, the reminders part. So the clients who have not received the payments can set reminders on Zoho and the payment reminder goes. And after the payment has come back, it will also send a thank you note to the client. So that makes the chain of work easier, making their efficiency of doing things better.
One of my clients who's a big logistics player was facing an issue with the reporting. He was not getting proper data to take fast business decision in today's fast changing environment. That is the time when we started thinking what should we implement. Should we take another analytics software or should we match the accounting and the analytics together? Zoho Books did that very easily. Because of Zoho Books, now the client is able to see more than hundreds of reports and take decisions very fast.
There are 2 or 3 primary reasons why we chose Zoho Books, and one of them was customer centricity and the knowledge of people who are handling our calls to solve our queries. Other companies, they used to take time, they used to not revert on time on our queries. But with Zoho Books, every time we called them up, they solved our problem in a very short span of time.
Now with the Zoho Books, we can do the GST return filing with just one click.
Zoho Books have helped us to improve our relationship with the client and have given peace of mind.